Welcome to Webstyle Plus. You need maintenance mode or coming soon mode for a website in two scenarios. Number one, when your website is under construction and you do not want users or search engines to access your website. And number two, when you want to fix an issue in live website or you want to update something but take website down for everybody else except you. In these conditions, a flexible maintenance mode or coming soon mode is very helpful. Website should be unavailable as a whole for everybody else except you. You should be able to modify site from backend and monitor front end as an administrator. After you are done, you should be able to bring website out of maintenance mode. This is our site with few pages in it. Let's say we are currently developing this website and want it down for everybody else. Let's do it. Go to plugins, add new, search for coming soon and maintenance mode. Coming soon page, maintenance mode and landing pages by Seed Prod. Install now and activate it. There are other such plugins as well, like under construction, maintenance, minimal coming soon page, coming soon page and maintenance mode, coming soon and maintenance mode page, responsive coming soon and maintenance mode. These are also worth checking out. Create your first page, set up a maintenance mode page. Let's select this simple one, down for maintenance. Now we can edit this page. We can just click add this, and from here we can change this image if we like to, and then we can change this text from here. We can also add contact information or subscription form if we have one. We can add more rows or columns here and add more content to this page. Once we are done, we can hit save button. We can then go to page settings and publish this page. Page title can be maintenance mode and hit save. From SEO tab, we can specify SEO title for the page, description, we can specify fav icon. We can discourage search engines from indexing this website or this page while this is in maintenance mode. And then from scripts, we can add header scripts, body scripts, and footer scripts. We can add our custom styles and custom scripts to this page. And then let's close this page. So this maintenance mode is inactive right now. We can activate it, and now maintenance mode is active. You can see maintenance mode active message in the top bar as well. Now if I go to my website, I can still browse my website, and I can also edit this and go to pages, browse it normally, and edit my pages and my website, use full backend. But if I open this website in incognito mode and refresh the page, then I will see this page here, maintenance page that we created just now. This maintenance mode will block every page in your website from users. For example, if I want to access this page while the site is in maintenance mode, I won't be able to access it. I will see down for maintenance page. To deactivate this maintenance mode, I can deactivate it by hitting this check button. And now the site is back. Maintenance mode will notify search engines that site is unavailable, while coming soon page will be available to search engines if your site is not private. Maintenance Mode by SeedProd is a good plugin with a visual builder. You can build templates and pages, and there's much more configuration that is very helpful in creating coming soon, maintenance mode, 404 pages, or thank you, or even login pages. If you want even more simple option, I have that one as well. Go to plugins, install plugins, deactivate this coming soon page plugin, and go to add new, search for maintenance mode. This is the one, WP maintenance mode. Install and activate. After it's installed, look for it here, WP maintenance mode. Go to settings. Right now it is deactivated. Let's activate it. You can allow or disallow search bots from this drop down menu. Backend access and front-end access is always available for administrators. You can encourage or discourage search engine bots from this menu, and that's it. Save settings. Now this is my website front end, and this is the back end. Now I am able to see it, and it's showing me that the maintenance mode is active. So we go to incognito mode and refresh our site, and we see this default message, maintenance mode. Sorry for inconvenience. Website is currently undergoing scheduled maintenance. Thank you for understanding. So this is the default message that you can modify. You can modify it from this tab, design. This is the title, and this is heading. From here you can customize this text. You can add classes, use HTML. You can use background color, background. You can use custom CSS and save settings. From modules, if you want to show the countdown, you can do so. Select the start date. Specify your color for the countdown. You can allow users to receive notification once this site will be ready. You can choose to show social networks. Show contact. You can even specify tracking code here, and then save settings. Refresh the page, and here is the countdown. We have got the message, we have got countdown, and users can subscribe. They will get notified when this site will be ready. And we've got our social networks here, and we've got this contact us button. Instead of maintenance mode, you can also choose to write coming soon here as well. This plugin is simple, yet it is powerful because it offers countdown, free countdown, and it can engage users. It allows you to specify social networks. There's also a friendly chat bot in this plugin that you can use. So go to manage bot, activate it, and let's just save settings and see how it looks like. So here is this chatbot asking questions from users. So it will ask name and some other information from the visiting user, so user feels engaged and still interact with your website while it's in maintenance mode. Once visitor will share his information from this page, it will be stored in here in this modules section. Like your stats, you have one subscriber. You can export users' informations in CSV format. So this plugin protects your site, can put your website in coming soon or maintenance mode, and also collects data from the users. Regular users will see this screen and they won't be able to access any other page in your website. While you, as an administrator, you can access your website and you can manage it from backend as you would in normal circumstances. So this is also a must-have functionality that you should have for your website. Keep one maintenance mode plugin in your website in case you need. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.